Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you are in Pamela's Adoring Crochet. We have another giveaway today, and today's giveaway is Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club, and I wanted to get this out for you guys as quick as I can so that whoever wins this kit, that they can make these cute holiday gift cards holders. All right, this is not sponsored by Annie's, but I am an affiliate, and so I will leave my affiliate links down at the bottom in the description box. And if you would like to sign up for any of these kit clubs, you're welcome to. And I'll talk about that in just a minute. But in this one, this giveaway that we have, it comes with yarn to make 3 of these. And they are crochet. Now, looking at the yarn, it looks to me like there's probably more yarn or enough yarn to make more than 3 of those gift card holders. Looks like to me. That's quite a bit of yarn in there. And it looks like it's 96 yards, 4 medium weight. And you get these little bells and these buttons. And then you get these small little colors down here. Okay, isn't that exciting? Yes, a Christmas kit giveaway. Okay, so like I was saying, I believe like right now if you sign up for any of their kits, they are 75% off. These are normally $19.99 a month, and they I believe they're shipping, so it may be like $24.99 with shipping. But you can always use codes, you know, for your first package to see if you like it, and if you don't like it, you can put them on hold or cancel or whatever. But this is my favorite one, the Hook and Needle Kit Club. I've joined quite a few of theirs and tried them out, and so far the Hook and Needle Kit Club is my favorite. Okay, I was going to tell you before I move on, I was going to tell you the different monthly clubs that they have. And one is called the Young Woodworkers, Simply Beads, Knit Afghan, Hook and Needle, Holiday Quilters, Farmhouse Style, Crochet Striped Afghan, Crochet Afghan, Creative Woman, Creative Quilters Fabric, Creative Girls, and the Carrying Crochet, and the CardMaker. And that's not including the fiction books that they have as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the rules. I'm pretty excited to give this away. Like I said, it is not sponsored by Annie's. I did pay for this with my own money. There will be one winner. It is open to the U.S. only. And you must be a subscriber to my channel. You must be over the age of 18. You must leave a comment below, because I've used the random comment picker, and if you don't leave a comment, it can't pick you. So you have to leave a comment, and I really don't care, you know, what your comment is. Just whatever you want to comment will be fine with me, as long as it's nice, you know. But yeah, this is it. This will run till, today is Tuesday. It will run till next Tuesday. I don't have a calendar or anything in front of me, but I will put the date in the description box. So, yeah, so good luck, everyone, and Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.